Hello. Okay, so I got my IPSY box today. I have never had IPSY before. I've seen some videos and it's like a good deal. I know the box was a little beat up. One of the corners is kind of torn. Like over here. But nothing came out of it, and it did arrive better than like one of my Amazon boxes. Like actually the Bath and Body Works box also, like, the tape was cut on one side. So I'm gonna go with, this is probably just what I have to expect. I actually like the way the box looks. It's got a little, bend right there and everything. I like the color, so I'm probably gonna keep it and use it to store things in. But yeah, so I'm gonna see what's in it. I signed up when they had the it's promotion going on, saying that you would get a palette, a free palette worth $48. So I've seen people talk about, like, comment below saying they didn't get their item, but I've also read on like Reddit and stuff where some people said they got it with their first box, some people said you get it with your second box, and some people said they contacted them and they got it like randomly. It was just sent to them after they contacted them, or like it just showed up. So yeah, so we'll see. Oh, okay. I guess that's what the inside of it looks like. Tissue box. Or not tissue box, sorry, tissue paper. There's this Boxy Charm thing. It says get to know your picks. Okay, so yeah, so I didn't get the boost. I figured if I wanted some other items, because I had seen people say what you can get, and then like what you can add on and the prices of the add-ons. So I was like, I'd rather, instead of give them $15 and then pick, something and then we have like another category, I would rather just choose from like a bunch of different options what I want, up to $15. So I got in here. We'll find out in a minute. So this is actually one I picked. It's way smaller than I expected. It's so small. It's a detox face mask. It says clears complexion and detoxifies, which I need because I have scars from, and I have acne, but I have scars from, acne. It says Co-Life. This packaging looks nice. It's got some little triangle on the top. I'm not really sure what that number means. Yeah, so let's open my little pink box. Oh, it's got decoration on the inside of the box. That's actually nice as well. It's very, very, very small compared to the size of skincare I get. This, I'm surprised it costs so much for this, like, size. And this should be a full size because Boxy Charm gives you full sizes. So yeah, this was one of my 3 picks because they choose 2 for you. You could get a boost, which they'll choose, but apparently you can, according to other people's videos where they like show what they pick, you can change it if you want to. And then you get 3 choices that you pick, and there's like 6 different options that you can choose from. So that is one of them. I like skincare, so I really try to go with skincare. All right, this is something they picked for me. And this is supposed to be for like your eyes or under eyes. It's the 20th of April, and I picked on the 1st, so I don't really remember exactly what everything was. So yeah, it says hydrating eye cream with hyaluronic acid, safe for sensitive skin. Okay, it is 15 milliliters, 0.5 fluid ounces. Okay. Alright, so it's dermatologist tested. That's good. No artificial fragrance. That's also good. I know some people have issues with fragrance. I don't, or at least not yet. I know you can develop it over time. Ophthalmologist tested. It says benefit 24 hours of hydration for under eyes, results. 100% agreed their eye area felt nourished, calm, and refreshed. Okay, it says in a consumer perception study with 50 participants after 10 days. So it's not that big of a study. But still, you know, good that people liked it. Okay, so this is what the item looks like. Let's see if we can tap it. Put it more. There we go. So yeah, for an eye cream, this is about the size I actually expect. So this is one they had picked for me. I will say the box, if I remember correctly, was like $150, like value, before the add-on. Because I did one add-on that was worth $82 or $84. It's a blue thing that I'd seen some people say they really, really liked, and I was like, well, it's like $12 before tax, so let's go for it. Okay, so this one is a nip plus fab. We do the science. You see the results. So nip plus fab renew is the retinol fix eye treatment, 2%. Okay, this is also 15 milliliters. This is the longer tube. The eye stuff I've gotten before that I bought myself in stores, they were longer tubes as well. So this is what I expected it more to look like. The other one's shorter but like wider. But it's the same amount. So yeah, this is a retinol. I know retinol is supposed to be good for you. There's one retinol product I use right now. It's a night cream, which I actually have on currently because it's nighttime. Yeah, so this is another one I chose. Like, I know some people didn't want to get multiple eye creams or like it's the same product, but like I will welcome it. Just go ahead and give it to me. Okay, so this is this is the add-on. Okay, so this is Malin. I'm not really sure how to say this. Malin and Goat's Recovery Treatment Oil. So it's 4.25% essential oils. That's 1 fluid ounce. Let's try and get this open. Okay. There are a lot of ingredients in this. Okay, yeah. Here's the blue one. So they showed a picture of the item, not the box it came in. So this is, I don't expect it. Let's see if we can. Okay, there we go. So this is actually like a really good size. I haven't really used face oils before, but you know, I'll just give it a try. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, it was like $12. And you know, I could just let someone else have it if it doesn't work for me. Okay, so am I missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, so sorry. They chose this palette for me. I think I am missing something. Was I supposed to get like a lip product? Yeah, it's supposed to be a lip. Am I missing? I am missing it. I had chosen a lip product. They missed one item. I guess they gave me the extra. But I'm missing. Yeah, I have the the bonus is in here. But the other item's gone. Like it's not here. So I'll have to mess this up. Because I was supposed to get not a lip product. It was the eye product. I screenshot it, so I'll just message them and tell them, you know, what's missing. Okay, so yeah, it's a violet gloss thing. It says Pretty in Paradise. I know some other people had gotten this. I'm kind of sad I would say that. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Here's what it looks like in person. We'll say on camera it looks a lot bigger than it does in person. Yeah, there's multiple colors. I think this should probably go well with my skin tone based on the colors here. I had seen people review this company's palettes and stuff, and they said they liked them. So hopefully I like it too. I do like the packaging. It's actually a nice looking packaging. I do wish I had the other item. It was supposed to be like rose gold for your eyes. Okay, So they gave me the bonus one in here. It's Il Maquillage. I think that's how you say it. I'm not really sure. His back. Okay, so let's see what it looks like inside. Oh, I thought it was just gonna be the basic black packaging. I like it with silver. Okay, so let's see. I open this. Okay. Okay, yeah. Oop. This box is gonna fall open. Okay, so that's what it looks like. These, I think, this color right here is similar to the eye color that I'm supposed to be getting. And then like cream thing that looks to me like a lip gloss would look. I actually thought it was a lip gloss until I read it. Anyways, I think these will probably go well with my skin tone. Look nice. And it has a mirror, so that's good. Like the whole packaging is shiny. This whole packaging is really, it's a mirror. Yeah, okay, so I'm happy with these items. Hopefully they'll send me the item that's missing in the mail. I'm not really sure how that works. Yeah, hopefully they'll rectify the situation by sending it to me. I know some people say they missed an item and they message them. I think they credited their account. Maybe they sent it to them, I'm not really sure. But yeah, yeah, it's not a new thing. Okay. Yeah, okay. I will just message them about that. I wonder if I can see it here. No, I don't think so. Okay. Well, I'll message them, see what's going on with that. It might be this Yensa thing down here. I screenshotted it all. But anyways, have a good day. I'm gonna put them in the box for now.